Hi, welcome. My name is Michael Lucero, and I am the Family and Consumer Science Agent for Colorado State University Extension in El Paso County. Today I just wanted to share with you a simple recipe, a hummus recipe, but you can make at home since we're all at home these days. It's a real simple recipe and we'll actually go through it. Then I'll talk a little bit about Extension and some of the things that we are offering currently. So with the hummus recipe, we have a couple of simple ingredients. The first ingredient is garlic powder. I'm going to use a garlic powder instead of a garlic salt, just because we don't want the added sodium in our diet. So we have our garlic powder. Next we'll have the juice of 1 lemon. So I like to use fresh lemon. There's about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in this lemon, and that's what we're using for our recipe. Next we have cumin. Cumin is a great spice to use. It gives the hummus a great flavor, and we'll be using hummus powder. We'll also be using garbanzo beans or chickpeas. We'll use 1 can. It is 14.5 ounces can of garbanzo beans or chickpeas. And then we'll use extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a great healthy oil that you want to consume. It does contain what we call monounsaturated fats. They are healthy for your heart. They help fight inflammation in your body, and it also helps reduce that bad cholesterol. So it's a great oil to use. We also use tahini. Tahini is what we call is a grounded up sesame seed oil, and that's what gives some more flavor to our hummus. So we'll start off with our garbanzo beans. So what we'll do is what I actually do is I actually drain the liquid from the garbanzo beans, then I add it back in when I blend it to the desired consistency that I want. So we'll add those garbanzo beans to it, food processor, and then what we'll add is we'll add a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. So again, this is a healthy oil. I recommend using this oil anytime you're adding fat to your diet. Extra virgin olive oil has a low smoke point to it, so it can't be heated real hot without it smoking on you. So for things like sauteing and dipping bread, that type of stuff, you can use extra virgin olive oil. If you want to do things like frying, that type of thing, you might want to use a different oil like an avocado oil. Next, we'll add our juice of 1 fresh lime. I already juiced it for us. It is about 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Next we'll add our garlic powder. We'll use 1 teaspoon of garlic powder in our recipe. So have our garlic powder. Next we're going to add our tahini. Again, tahini is just ground up sesame oil, or sesame seeds I should say. We'll use a 1/4 cup of tahini. And you can find tahini in the grocery store, usually by the peanut butter is where I find it. It is pretty economical. With this jar here of tahini is about $3 to $5, and you can make about 6 to 8 batches of hummus with this 1 jar of tahini. Now we'll go ahead and blend it up. I think that should do it. And what I tell people is you can use a blender also, and if you don't have a food processor, if you don't have a blender, what I do is I just actually smash it all up. It's real chunky that way, but it does mix it enough so that you can make the hummus itself. So if we look at this, it's a thicker consistency. If I wanted it a little bit smoother, I would just put in the food processor for a little bit longer. But this is how I like it, with a little bit of chunkiness to it, but still smooth. So I would put this in a bowl. I would serve it with whole wheat crackers, vegetables, bell peppers, carrots, celery sticks, anything like that. My kids really enjoy it, and it's a real easy recipe to prepare. So if you visit us at our website, below at the link below, at that website you'll see a bunch of information on online classes that we do, different program areas that we do. We do the Family and Consumer Science side, which is health and nutrition and wellness. We also do a lot of food safety stuff and food safety certifications and cottage food trainings at the office. And we also do horticulture classes, local foods classes. We have the 4-H program within the office. So just join us, look at us on our website and see all the variety of things that we do offer. We do right now have a COVID-19 page where you can find information about COVID and how it relates to food safety. We have some easy recipes that you can prepare at home also, and just an array of different information on COVID-19 also. So thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.